you open the TOEFL website, you get an option to sign in. Click on sign in. If you have not created the account yet, you need to create the account. And once you create the account, enter your username and password. Here you can schedule the test. Yeah. As you are opting for home-based exam, just search the city nearby you. Mayur, what is the city nearby you?
Junagadh. JUNAGADH.
JUNA.
First one.
Good. Junagadh. Yeah. Now below you can see the options. Once you enter this location. Yeah. So you thought you're planning for June 3rd, correct?
Third.
Now click on June 3rd. Yeah, here you can select the time slot. Yeah, Mayur,
2
what is
p.m.
the time slot you want to select?
2 p.m. Huh?
Yeah,
Noon to me. Huh?
select the 2 p.m. So here you can see you have selected the following appointment at home,
Hmm.
Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026, 2 p.m. Correct?
Hmm.
Click on save and continue. Then click on continue to chat. To payment. Here you get an option
Hmm.
to add
From.
voucher or promo code. Now currently it is showing you 17,999, so around 18,000. Now whatever the coupon code my team shares to you, apply that coupon code over here. This is the important step. Once you apply the coupon code over here, this fee becomes zero. This is how the process works. As we are applying coupon code, that means you are paying directly to the TOEFL through the coupon. So we
Hmm.
have to enter the coupon code over here. Once you make the payment, my team will share you the coupon code and just enter that coupon code over here. Just observe it carefully. Once we click on apply,
Hmm.
the fee becomes zero. Yeah,
Hmm.
just look at here. The fee became zero. Now click on submit order. Your test will get booked. Yes. So your test got booked. Now it has shown you clearly. Now get ready for test day at home, Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026, 2 p.m. Now, if you want to recheck the details, whether it is booked or not, you can easily check out here. Click on home option. Here you can see the upcoming tests.